How to scan QR code on CapCut. Hey everyone, if you're trying to scan QR code in CapCut, this is how you do it. So, allowing this scanning feature on CapCut will help you get the latest features and templates, such as video templates and effects. You could also add music by scanning the QR code, and scanning the QR codes can also help you get connected with CapCut community or incorporating new content into your video projects. So in order to scan the QR code, you could just go ahead and tap on the me icon at the bottom right, and then you'll find the three lines at the top right corner. And then from here, you have blocked accounts, manage accounts, and then right on top you have scan. Just tap on the scan option. You're going to have to allow your camera access, so just tap on allow. And once your camera is, you can just lift it up and the code. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.